Hello everyone, today I will show you how to bookmark an image in a PDF file using PDF XChange Editor. I will bookmark an image three ways. First way, click on this home option and here you will find this bookmark option. Now click on this image and select. Now select this add bookmark option and type your bookmark name, image and say this image now bookmark and go in here and click on this bookmark and say this. Also I'll bookmark this image. Click on this image and select and here you will find this add bookmark option. Click here and type your image name and say this and go in here and click on this image and see this. This is also I will bookmark this image. Click on this image and click right button. Here you will find this add bookmark option and type your image name and see this and go in here and click on this bookmark, also this and see this. All of these images now bookmark and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.